In the remote, icy expanse of Siberia, there lies a scar on the Earth so vast that it can be seen from space. A gaping chasm, a mile long and constantly growing, it is known as the Batagay megaslump. The Batagay megaslump is a stark reminder of the power of nature and the profound changes our planet is undergoing. It is a product of a warming world and the thawing of permafrost. The Batagay megaslump is a dramatic example of a retrogressive thaw slump. It's becoming increasingly common in the Arctic as temperatures rise. The Batagay megaslump is a glimpse into a future shaped by climate change. As the permafrost thaws, it releases greenhouse gases, amplifying global warming. Understanding the Batagay megaslump is crucial to mitigate climate change. Permafrost, as its name suggests, is permanently frozen ground. It's a layer of soil, rock, and organic matter that has remained frozen for at least 2 consecutive years. This frozen ground, often found in high-latitude regions like the Arctic and high-altitude regions like mountain ranges, plays a crucial role in the Earth's climate system. Permafrost acts like a giant freezer, locking away vast amounts of carbon and other organic matter. As long as it remains frozen, this carbon stays sequestered, preventing it from entering the atmosphere as greenhouse gases. However, the stability of this frozen carbon reservoir is under threat. As global temperatures rise, driven by human activities that release greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, permafrost is beginning to thaw. The Arctic in particular is experiencing warming at an accelerated rate due to a phenomenon known as Arctic amplification. This warming is causing the once solid permafrost to thaw, transforming it into a slushy, unstable mess. The thawing of permafrost has profound consequences for the landscape and the environment. When permafrost thaws, the ground collapses, creating depressions, lakes, and slumping features known as thermokarst. The Batagay megaslump is a dramatic example of a thermokarst feature known as a retrogressive thaw slump. These slumps occur when the permafrost thaws unevenly, creating a headwall that eats its way backward as the ground continues to thaw. In the case of Batagay, the process began in the 1960s following deforestation. The removal of trees which provide insulation exposed the permafrost to the warming air. Since then, the Batagay megaslump has been growing steadily, reaching a depth of over 300 feet and a length of over half a mile. The slump continues to expand, eating away at the surrounding landscape and releasing its long-held carbon into the atmosphere. Section 4, Batagay, a window into a warmer world. The Batagay megaslump, while a stark reminder of the destructive power of climate change, also presents a unique opportunity for scientists. The exposed layers of permafrost at Batagay offer a glimpse into the past, revealing ancient ecosystems and climate conditions dating back thousands of years. Scientists have discovered well-preserved remains of extinct animals, including mammoths, horses, and bison, within the permafrost layers at Batagay. These discoveries provide valuable insights into the evolution of life in the Arctic and the impact of past climate changes. Moreover, the study of the Batagay megaslump is helping scientists understand the processes of permafrost thaw and the rate at which greenhouse gases are being released. This information is crucial for refining climate models and predicting the future impacts of climate change. Section 5, a warning from the north, global implications. The thawing permafrost in the Arctic, exemplified by the Batagay megaslump, has global implications. Greenhouse gases from thawing permafrost can accelerate global warming, causing extreme weather, rising sea levels, and ecological disruption. Permafrost stores twice the carbon currently in the atmosphere. Thawing releases carbon dioxide and methane, potent greenhouse gases. This creates a feedback loop. Warming leads to more thawing, causing more warming. The consequences could be catastrophic. Thawing permafrost threatens infrastructure, communities, and livelihoods. This global issue demands urgent action. Section 6. The future of permafrost, a call to action. The Batagay megaslump serves as a stark warning of the potential consequences of unchecked climate change. The thawing of permafrost is a global issue that requires a global response. We must act now to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, mitigate the impacts of climate change, and protect the fragile Arctic ecosystem. International cooperation is essential to address this global challenge. Governments, scientists, and communities must work together to monitor permafrost thaw, develop sustainable land management practices, and reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. The future of permafrost, and indeed the future of our planet, depends on our collective action. We must heed the warning from the north and take decisive steps to address the climate crisis before it's too late. The time for action is now.